If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for SoFi, and I'm going to zoom in on the chart. This is the price action. This is the more recent price action. So it looks like buyers or traders confirmed the $5.19 level as support, because that's where we bounced in the past, and then we bounced again. We saw a lot of buying off of that level, so it looks like buyers are definitely recognizing that level as support. So we went up, we broke the EMA, we held above it, we broke down, and now we're seeing the buyers return. So this could have been a trap for the shorts, so we could see another leg up because we had two legs down. So you can see that we had a large impulse up, a correction down, a move up, and then another correction down. So this could mark the center of the pattern. And if we do get another impulse up, where are we going? It's right around the $7 level. So it's pretty much right back to the starting point of this breakout right here. So shorts have their stops or entry points right here, so market could pull back to hit their break-even stops or even the stop losses. So that's what it looks like it's gonna do. It looks like we're gonna get probably above that 640 level maybe Monday or Tuesday, because we're right next to it, and that's where also some stop losses are. You can see this candle is pretty big, so there isn't a lot of resistance in the way. Once we clear this 640 level, I think we can reach that $7 level fairly soon. Now, what if we just break this 640 level and reverse right away? We're probably going to go back down to that 550 level, because that's where buyers entered, some buyers, and we could hit their break-even stops there. And if prices continue lower, we're probably going to make a new low of this downtrend. So even though I suspect higher prices in the near term, I would still keep in the back of my mind that we have not bottomed, because I still don't think technically this is a bottom, even though we are going sideways, and I'll explain why. So you see that we had a spike in channel in the past. This was the spike down, and then we went inside of a flatter channel because the spike was unsustainable. So this was a nice healthy 45-degree angle working lower for several months. Then we had a breakout side of this pattern. Eventually we were going to do that because we came up short here, breakout on this side about the equal amount, and prices usually go back down to retest the previous extreme. And we did retest the previous extreme, but normally we make a new low. So right now we just came up short of that low. Is it guaranteed we make the low? No, but more times than not, I usually see a new low of a downtrend being made. So we haven't done that yet. So it looks like we're just finding some type of support right here, just temporarily, and we'll have to wait and see if this is going to be a strong support, or we're just gonna break it eventually. So right now it looks like prices do want to pull back, and we could be inside of a possible range. So this could be the new pattern right here, because it looks like prices are moving sideways now instead of going down. So in the past, you can see that we were working downwards. You can see how the EMA is pointing down, and now we're kind of going sideways, kind of like a snake, so something like this. So this could be the new pattern playing out. So as of right now, looks like the market's pulling back. Expecting SoFi to continue higher as well, and I would be expecting this measured move target to be hit right around that $7 level. So let's go and switch over to the weekly chart to wrap it all up. Here's the entire price action for this stock. Looking at the weekly chart, since its inception we went up, and then we went inside of a range pattern like I spoke about on the daily charts. This was the range, and now there was a breakout of it. We continued lower. Looks like we found some support at the 536 level, or the $5 level. I think that's just temporary, but we'll have to wait and see. Looks like prices are trying to pull back to this EMA, and we could be going inside of a sideways pattern known as a range. So that looks like the new pattern that prices could be respecting, looking for higher prices. $7 first. If the market is really bullish, we can reach that $8 level right after that. Would that mark the bottom? Well, you can see that we're still below the EMA on the weekly chart, and we have not been above it since November of 2021. So I would need to see a lot of buying versus what we're just seeing right now to mark this a bottom. But as right now, I'm keeping in the back of my mind that we have not bottomed, but I'm still expecting a pullback before we start seeing lower price targets. So that's everything I have for SoFi. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time and bye.